In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your bank to PayPal. If you want to transfer money more easily, move funds between your bank and your PayPal account, or make payments with a connected bank account, this is a simple process and only takes a few moments to complete. I'm going to walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To get started, open PayPal and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look for the Wallet section. This is the area where PayPal lets you manage your payment methods, including cards and bank accounts. Go ahead and click on Wallet to continue. After you're inside the Wallet section, look for the option that says Link a Bank. This is the feature you'll use to connect your bank account directly to PayPal. Click that option to move forward. Next, PayPal will ask you to search for your bank. Start typing the name of your bank in the search field, then select the correct result when it appears. Make sure you choose the right bank, especially if there are similar names listed. This helps ensure your account is connected properly and avoids delays later on. Once you've selected your bank, you'll be asked to enter your bank account details. Follow the prompts on the screen carefully and provide the required information exactly as it appears on your bank accounts. Take your time during this part because even a small typing mistake can cause the connection to fail or require you to start again. If PayPal gives you additional instructions, just follow them step by step until the setup is complete. Depending on your bank, PayPal may either connect instantly or ask you to confirm the account through an extra verification process. If you see any confirmation messages, review them before continuing. It's always a good idea to double-check the information you entered before submitting everything. And that's it. Once the process is finished, your bank should now be linked to your PayPal account. You can usually return to the Wallet section to confirm that the bank has been added successfully. If it appears there, you're all set. As a final tip, make sure your bank details are entered securely and only through the official PayPal app or website. That way your information stays protected while you complete the setup. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to connect your bank to PayPal.